Little guy. Yeah, that was first cast.
Yeah.
He's little, but wow, is he little. Look at that little doubles, but jeez, I know all the. Yeah. Oh my God, look how small this guy is. Yeah. I do too, little guy. I do too, but to the point where you gotta take. Yeah, small ones. A small one. They're eating this color. You're probably better off changing it. Yeah, they don't want the green. They want the darker colors. I mean, he ain't big, but. One already. Small one. Yeah, don't act like a big fish. You ain't. You're a little dinky. First cast, I mean, as soon as I put it out there, bang. Ain't nothing special, but. No, he's better. Yeah, I make sure I felt him, but. He's decent. He's not as big as one of those. Let him fight. He thinks he's huge.
I know, they're fighting good.
They are. Look at him. Nice fish. Man, I can't hold him anymore. Huh? As soon as I threw it in there, he hit it. Huh? It's a better one. Yeah, he's the biggest one I've caught today, for sure. He's running out to deep water. He thinks he's big. Look at him. He's 4 or 5 pounds. Oh. Yeah.
He's a 3.5 pounder.
Yeah. You get a cold thing and the cold things are on top too. I put him up on top. I'll get him in. He's easily hooked. Is that your battery? Well, if we get 2 of them, I can take a double picture. Yeah, I mean, he pounded it.
You want the? Yeah. That's a nice one. He's 3.5.
Yeah, we're gonna use that new scale beat. Yeah, he's a little lighter than I thought. Yeah, he wasn't going anywhere. Got him double hooked. There you are. Little fudge. Yeah. Man, I'm catching all the little ones. They're tiny. Look at him. There he is. Little guy. Oh, we'll put him with the other one.
That's a nice one, dude. That's a nice fish.
I know, we'll put him with the other one. I'm taking double pictures tonight.
Yeah, dude, he's 3 pounds.
He's about the same size as the other one.
Yeah.
He's putting on a show.
He's got a nice big mouth.
He's taking drag. might be bigger than the other
He
one.
might be bigger. Actually, I'm the one I'm looking at. He might be bigger. He whacked it pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
He is bigger. Oh yeah, dude. He's got some shoulders.
He's solid.
Dude, he's four plus.
Fine, I'll find out in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's heavier, a lot bigger.
Yeah, he's a lot bigger.
Let's get that scale out. He's definitely 4.
Oh yeah, he's 4 plus.
Yeah.
I can tell. Look at him.
Yep. He's 3. He's not quite
He's
4.
bigger than the other one. I'm telling you.
Yeah, but he's not 4.
Yeah, a minute.
I can tell you he's light. He's just got a bigger head.
No, that's a nice one, dude. That's a nice fish.
Double pictures tonight.
Yeah, dude. He's 3 pounds.
He's about the same size as the other one.
Yeah. He's got a nice big mouth.
Might be bigger than the other.
He might be bigger. Actually, I'm the one I'm looking at. He might be bigger. He whacked it pretty good, huh? He is bigger. Oh yeah, dude. He's got some shoulders.
Solid.
Dude, he's 4 plus. Huh?
Oh yeah, he's heavier. Wow.
Yeah, he's a lot bigger.
Let's get that scale out. He's definitely 4.
Oh yeah, he's 4 plus. I got one. No, tiny. I knew he was tiny. When I could feel him hit it. It's tiny. No, I knew it. Wow, he had it for a while too. Yeah. Jesus. Yep. Wow, he swallowed that thing. I know. That's a better one. Nah, I felt better, but maybe not. I felt better. Nah.
Yes, dude, that's a 3-pounder.
No, he ain't.
Yes, he is.
No, he isn't.
That's a 3-pounder.
No, he isn't.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's a 3-pounder.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. He's long. You watch the boat. It's a 3-pounder.
He hit it better.
It's a 3-pounder.
No, he's not. Oh, he's not bad. Let's put it.
Yeah, put him in the live one.
Yeah. He hit it better. I tell you, he hit it better.
Yeah, dude, that's a nice fish. Watch his trop, dude. You gotta lift him around.
Here it comes, right?
He's 2 pounds.
He's not. He's not 3
Oh,
pounds.
he's 2 pounds.
He's 2, dude.
Hey, it's alright. You think
I think he swallowed it too, didn't he? He choked it. I know. Did he hit it good? Dude, they are choked. Oh, that's on that new one that on that new color there, Texas one or whatever it's called.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the one that has a little more sparkle. Yeah, the one with the magic. The little guy. I did too, little guy. I did too, but to the point where you gotta take.
Double.
Yeah, small ones.
Oh my god, there you go.
Look how small he is. Jeez. No, he's small.
You haven't got any pictures of your ass. Decent fish, though. Nothing you can take a picture of.
That's 2 in a row, though.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Taking a picture of the fish yet?
No. I got another one right here. No. No, I just. Dude, that's 3 of them. It looks actually like that worm. He's a little guy. If you're gonna try, why not? That's 3 on this. 3 in this little. I've caught him a good amount of fish today, though. For sure. There we go. No, little.
Wow, little things. Good fun.
Yeah.
They don't care if that big ass thing swims through there or not.
I guess not. They're hungry. They're gonna feed. Yeah, he's still hitting it. Little guy. I love that thing. Yeah, no. There's. That's a little better one. He had it for a while too. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I felt him. That's some of them running with it. He's fighting good. Oh, let's see what she swallowed this thing.